Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Ram 2500. First, let's prepare your truck for accurate adjustment. Park your vehicle on a level surface, exactly 25 feet away from a flat wall. It is important to ensure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is about half full. This helps simulate normal driving conditions for precise aiming. Next, we will mark your aiming target on the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs. Transfer this measurement to the wall, creating a horizontal line. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Use this to mark two vertical lines on the wall, aligning with each headlight center. Now, let's adjust the beams. Turn on your low beams and cover one headlight. For Ram 2500 models, you will typically use a 7mm socket or a long Phillips head screwdriver. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to lower the beam's top edge 2 to 2.5 inches below your marked horizontal line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the brightest part of the beam on its vertical line. After adjusting the first headlight, repeat the exact same process for the other side. Once both are adjusted, take your truck for a test drive on a dark road to confirm the beams are properly aimed. It is crucial to ensure your headlights do not blind oncoming traffic. If you are uncertain about the adjustment, consider having a professional technician perform a final check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.